If nobody ever showed you how to take care of your space, start with this. It's a good idea to clean out your fridge every few months. Here's how you do it. You take everything out. I put the frozen stuff in the cooler. The fridge stuff, I'll put in the cooler or on the counter. It's not going to be that long that it'll go bad. Get a little dish soap and some water. Get a washcloth and wipe down the shelves. After you've got all cleaned out, just put things back. As you're going through what you're putting back, if you got old stuff, throw it out. This isn't about being perfect. It's about taking ownership. This is a great opportunity to do your meal planning. Plan your menu and use it up so that you don't have to waste it by throwing it away. You don't have to do everything at once. Just start taking care of your space one thing at a time. If you're trying to get your life in order and you don't really know where to start, I've put together something called Manhood Reset that walks you through this step by step. There's a link in the description or the bio. Always remember, you do have a dad that cares about you, and I'll see you on the next video.